So hello, and as always, welcome back to Learning MD. Today I'm going to do a quick video of the actual Sage Barista Express. We've got here the coffee, which currently is the Brazil. It's not actual advertising, it's just our coffee preference. So we put it here. Remember to do a pre-infusion before you actually nail it there. You've got here the grind size, which, as you know, you have to move it in function of how the actual espresso range is. Essentially, it should be around here. I usually do pre-infusion. I press a few seconds this button right here. And now once you've finished, there you go. Nice and tidy, neatly, non-stop. You've got here a stamp too. And as you can see, it's in the range. Now, if you want it a little bit to the left or to the right, it can be modified with this right here. Okay, so look at this coffee right here. It's pretty much amazing. Look at the drip, really even on both sides. Now, if you want it to finish, you can just click this button right here and automatically it will finish the actual coffee. And then you've got this wonderful coffee, okay? So if you've got any questions, just leave it down here in the comments below. Me or anyone from the Learning MD team will answer as shortly as possible.